I think we've been seeing some very interesting turning points on Ethereum. For those who have been to ETH Denver, which is kind of a big Ethereum conference, I think it's one of the highest signal conferences for the Ethereum ecosystem
Okay.
here in the US. You can clearly start to see a changing vibe in the sense that I feel like a lot of the people who are spearheading the Ethereum roadmap, I think they're listening a lot more to feedback from developers and from users. You have a few interesting developments like Mega ETH, which is this layer 2 real time, meaning very, very low latency layer 2, which can bring maybe a little bit more of those Solana vibes. You have the creation of Etherealize, which is kind of this institutional PR arm for Ethereum with Danny Ryan, which is an extremely respected developer in the space. Some folks are excited about tokenization, and maybe some of that will happen through ETH, although it's kind of questionable how much of that value will flow to ETH, the asset. There are some folks excited about a potential DeFi renaissance, and ETH is still probably the place where, let's say, high ticket DeFi still happens. So there are things to be excited about on ETH. I think what this group struggles a little bit with is that none of these things will happen in the very short term. And during these market turmoil environments, people's investment horizon, they tend to shrink quite a bit. So folks tend to be a lot more tactical than they usually are. So that's where I think Ethereum is hitting a snag a little bit in terms of price performance.